If you're experiencing connection errors in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. This guide will help you identify and resolve common issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or outages with your ISP. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug the router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Allow it to fully reboot before trying to connect again. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of Cyberpunk 2077 installed. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve connectivity. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install them if available. Step 4. Adjust network settings. If you're using a console, consider adjusting your network settings. Set your DNS to public DNS like Google 8.8, 8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1, 1.1 for potentially better performance. On PC, you can also try running the game as an administrator. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to the game support team. Provide them with details about your connection errors, and they may offer specific solutions or updates regarding server issues. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your connection issues in Cyberpunk 2077. Happy gaming!